enjoying the beauty of nature with my bicycle.
First of all, here's a bike safety tips. Always wear helmet. Wear brightly colored clothing. Keep both hands on the handlebars. No loose bands or shoestrings. You must have headlight and reflector and never wear earphones.
Let's go biking!
While you are in the trail, you can check different kind of wildflower and fungus. For example, this Jack in the Pulpit. Jack in the Pulpit is a wildflower growing from a corm. It is highly variable species typically growing 30 to 65 centimeters in height, with three parted leaves and flowers contained in a spadix that is covered by the hood. We also saw this flower called trillium. It is Ontario provincial flower, also known as the wake robin and the white lily. Ontario is one of the provinces in Canada. We also saw a big fungus from a rattan tree. The flower over there is a flax wildflower. Taking a good bike ride with your family and friends through nature can be one of the most amazing feelings. Beautiful views of nature, white crisp fresh air, blue stray hair. It is proven scientific fact that exercising releases the feel-good hormones called endorphins.
enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Ting ting ting!